Okay, so this is the snagging video for Tyburn Road. I'm obviously aware that that door has been, new door has been ordered. It's absolutely fine. There's a bit of gap down there between that, so that might need attention. Needs cleaning. I'm assuming we're going to paint and varnish this. And the inside's more or less pretty much ready. Yeah, this is straightforward. It's just utility room. That's all more or less fine. Paintwork's fine. That just needs a touch up. But I'm assuming if you can please provide LED lighting, light bulbs throughout the property. I think we need at least about 5 or 6. And then obviously get rid of all that. But yeah, we need 6 light bulbs throughout. If you can please include that, because I need to come back and take viewings and pictures. And obviously fit all the doors. When you fit all the doors, please can you put door stops on every door, including the bathroom door as well in here. Obviously I'm sure you're aware of that already, but just in case you're not, again, light bulbs in here. Garden, can you just remind me if the garden's a separate quote? If not, I'll get it done. But obviously that needs doing. And also the same with a deep clean, if that's in the quote. If not, I'll arrange for a deep clean as well. You just let me know once it's ready. That's fine. It's been raining these last few days, and the damp hasn't seemed to have come back, so I'm assuming that the leak has been sorted. So that's good. Again, we'll probably need a door stop here as well, or else it's going to keep hitting that. And same story here. There's a lot of doors in this property and a lot of lights. This needs a deep clean, but obviously we can get that done separately. The lights don't seem to be working, so we need to have a look at that. Everything else is fine. Fine. That's fine as well. Floors just need a good clean. Once everything's done, I think there's a lot of grout along here. The paintwork's starting to crack, so that needs some attention. Windows are fine. That needs a good clean. So in the kitchen, bathroom lights, that's really low. So we clean it or replace it with a lighter bulb. Sorry, brighter bulb. Obviously in here this needs door stop, or else it's going to keep slamming against that. And I'm not sure this has been resealed or not, but that's not the best. And obviously there's a gap there as well. So I'm not sure it's done or not, but that needs doing. Because that's going to basically create leaks in the future. Probably do with another coat around the edges. It is quite dark in here. Oh, sorry. Also, this needs one of those penny locks for the bathroom, so it can be opened from the outside and closed on the inside. The finish on this hasn't been, the paint on this hasn't been, but it's quite bubbly. It's very coarse. So please can you have a look at that. This is the one of the bedrooms just off the bathroom. Okay, so that perspex there needs securing. I think it might have actually already be broken now because of the winds, because it hasn't been secured properly. So please can that be secured. And the gutter needs to look like it needs clearing as well. I think otherwise in here seems fine. The leak hasn't come back, so that's a good sign. Okay, so second large bed, again it's more or less fine. We haven't changed the windows, but I suspect we'll change that at some point. It does need cleaning, so I'll talk to the cleaner about that. Again, door stops, And for the bedroom, yeah, this is more or less fine as well. This one, so what I meant was actually originally just take this off altogether and paint it, because it doesn't look great. But obviously you've attached that. It's better than nothing. That's okay. But in the future, so it's just something to keep in mind. It's better just to remove the whole thing and paint it. That needs painting to come off in here, and also the flooring in here. So I'm worried that well, it's not a great cut for a start. So you can have a look at that as well along here, and that needs resealing as well. Just along there, just needs scraping off and resealing. Other than that, I think that should be it. All right. Good job. All right. Thanks a lot. See you.